I think it's actually pretty good. Hey guys, what's up? It's Remy and welcome back to my channel. So, in case you didn't know, in case you live under a rock, festival season is among us and I am so excited because festival season is my favorite season. Today, I wanted to transform myself into a celebrity, and one of my absolute favorite celebrities in the world is Shay Mitchell. She's beautiful, and also one time I met her in the bathroom at Creator Summit at YouTube last year and she was very nice, so I'm extra, I sound psycho. I'm extra obsessed with her. Also, thank you so much to Boohoo for sponsoring this video. So yeah, basically I think Shay is so pretty. She's also half Asian, so I love that. And in today's video, I wanted to transform myself into her by doing my hair and my makeup and also recreating some of her festival outfits for you guys. She has amazing style and she looks good all the time at the festival, so I pulled up some pictures. These are the photos that I'm going to be recreating today, again with the looks that I got from Boohoo, which I am so excited. So basically, I'm going all out today and I'm recreating all her looks to a T. And if you guys have never shopped on Boohoo before, first of all, they are amazing. I've worked with them before and I love their stuff. Their stuff is seriously such great quality, and then on top of that, the prices are absolutely amazing. All right, so Boohoo is great because they're always having huge sales on the site, but today I'm actually coming at you with an even bigger promo code for you to use. You can get an additional 10% off your order, including sale items, and I'm telling you guys, like, they have the cutest stuff on the site. To find out more about Boohoo and to shop these looks, click the link down below, and let's get into this haul because I have a lot of bags to open for you guys. Did I show my address? No, we're good, okay. All right, so first bag, I don't know what's in order here, so we're just gonna go through everything as I wave my scissors around. So Boohoo just launched their new festival collection with everything that you could need ever for this festival season or for spring in general. So also their bags are really cute. Let's get into her. I'm excited. I got a lot of denim pieces, which I love denim so much. Here we go. Uh-oh, shoot. Okay, looking at this stuff already, I know it's gonna be perfect. I got a couple different options for each outfit just to see what I thought that would look better. I am so excited. We've got a cute little white cotton crop top, which I would wear this on an actual like normal basis, so love that. We got quite a few options for denim shorts just because denim is really hard to get to like fit your body perfectly, so I wanted a couple different options. First up, we got, oh, these are cute. I like the cutoff at the bottom. These denim shorts, and Boohoo's also super great because actually a majority of their items are under $100 each, which is great. I got a belt here to match a specific look. It's one of those like Western style belts that are super popular. It's got silver detailing, which I'm all about silver all the time. So this will be super cute with those denim shorts or a denim look. Okay, what do we, oh, these are the mom jeans. Okay, so I've never tried mom jeans before, but she was wearing them in one of her looks and they looked so good on her. And I wanted to try, these are actually really like nice. I like that there's no distress on them. Sometimes I like a good distressed jean, but I like that these are just like nice and plain and they look really expensive. I feel like way more expensive than they actually were. We got some mom jeans. We got a classic pair of white shorts, which I've been looking for a new pair, and these are cute and high-waisted, and I love. Oh, okay. Next up, we got this graphic tee here, which I'm gonna do a little DIY to and cut her a little shorter into a crop top for one of the looks, but this is really nice, and graphic tees are so expensive, especially like those vintage ones, and I like that this has like a vintage feel with the vintage wash. How many times can I say vintage in a sentence? Super cute. It's a Metallica shirt. And I like this a lot. That's actually really cool. I like the colors. Moving on, I got an oversized denim jacket. I live in my oversized denim jackets. I wear them all the time and you guys are always asking me about them. So this is a really good option. This one's actually a small, but I love that it's made to be just like worn larger. You can like drape it over your shoulders or wear it like baggy. I really like the whole like off the shoulder thing. So love that I have that. What is this? What are you? Oh yeah. Okay, I got this black wrap top. So basically it like crosses in the front and it ties in the knot. This is really nice. I like this material. And I like that there's like these panels here and then goes to like the ruchy sleeves. That's really cute. Oh, and the little wrists are smocked. That's perfect and really comfortable. Last thing, oh, super string. Last thing in this, oh, I love these. Some blue denim shorts as well. I think these are probably gonna be my favorites. This style I feel like is really nice with the distress at the bottom. And I like that it has like the higher in the front. Love that. Moving on to bag number 2. We've got some some shoes in here, which if you guys know me, I'm a shoe fanatic, so I'm really excited. First up, we have a pair of shoes here. She was wearing a pair of like black and white slides in a photo, but I think that they are the ugliest things ever, and I own them, so I didn't want to wear them for this video. But I found a pair of shoes on Boohoo that is similar that I think are even cuter, and I'm gonna throw these on for the video. Is this not me in a shoe? Eli's nodding his head behind the camera. This is me in a shoe. I love this. Oh, my dog is playing with her toy. Daisy, mommy's trying to haul Boohoo. So I got these to wear instead of the ugly black and white striped slides. Next up, I love me a black booty, especially ones like this that have the rubberized bottoms because they make it so much more comfortable. Like I'm actually gonna wear these all the time. And there's like a platform hidden in here, so it makes it more comfortable to walk in and it's easier to walk in, and I just love it. I got these black booties to wear. Shout out to Shay for wearing them so that I could use them too. And then I'll be honest, I love the black and white ones so much that I also got them in this cheetah print because this is also very me. So just had to get those, not for the video, just for myself. All right, last but not least, Queen Shay is known for her accessories. She's always wearing sunglasses, so I picked up a couple pairs to try out with the looks. These ones right here are like a circular black and gold frame, which I thought were really cute. And then these ones look almost identical to the one she was wearing. So I'll probably rock these, but got some sunglasses. And then also, in one of the looks, she was wearing some hoop earrings. So I grabbed these rose gold ones, which I thought were so, so pretty. And I'll definitely be pairing these for one of the pictures. All right, so that's everything that I got from Boohoo that I'm going to take and recreate into these Shay Mitchell looks. Again, if you guys want an additional 10% off your order, including sale items, and you guys can get that amazing deal. And that's gonna run up until April 30th of 2019. So use the code, save yourself some more money, and get yourself some cute stuff. All right, so I studied a lot of Shay's pictures, and her hair is always really like wavy with like big loose waves, and she does a lot of like bronzy, glowy makeup. So cue the montage of me getting ready this morning. I hope you guys enjoyed the montage of how I got this Shay Mitchell look. I'm really obsessed with it. It's pretty similar to like what I normally do, but a little like amped up, so I really liked it. So let's put everything together. I'm gonna grab my Boohoo pieces and let's recreate Shay's looks. All right guys, we have made it to the photo studio and I'm joined today by my amazing friend, Jessie!
Hey, what's up, guys?
We planned that slide in. Today, I already told you, you're wearing the black and white theme, we're matching. We are gonna shoot Shay Mitchell outfits today. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I am.
Yay! Jesse's Instagram is down below. He's amazing. Check it out. And we're gonna get to work. So let's see how this goes. I think it's actually pretty good.
Where's Remy at?
She's left the building. Alright guys, we just shot outfit number 1. I am so obsessed with how they turned out. This is Shay's picture over here. And this is my picture over here. I think we did a really good job with recreating. I'm obsessed with these jeans. I will say I have very muscular legs, so I think I'm gonna reorder them in a size up so I have a little more room, but I love the cut of them. I love the shoes. I'm obsessed with everything. And the pictures turned out great. So let's move on to outfit number 2. All right guys, outfit number 2, as you saw, Shay was wearing a cropped graphic tee. So I got this metallic one, as you guys saw earlier. So I got the graphic tee, I brought my scissors to the studio, and I'm just gonna cut it a little bit. I think I'm gonna try just maybe like here, cut off the first line of words, and then we'll see if it needs to be cropped more. It's super simple. You literally just cut as straight as you can. Once you're done, you give it a little tug so that it folds up at the bottom. Boom! Lord DIY is shaking. All right, so the shirt turned out super cute. I cut it a little shorter because Shay's shirt was actually very short, but I love how it turned out. For her hair in the photo, she has these like little braids going throughout with little ribbon woven through it. So I'm gonna attempt to try and do this. I don't know how it's gonna work, but wish me luck. look number 2 completed. Well, I gotta put my boots on. Pretty good.
Whoa.
I'm excited. All right, just wrapped outfit 2. I love how this one turned out. This is Shay's outfit. And then here's my outfit. I don't normally wear graphic tees, but I'm really into this one. And then I love how we cropped it on top of it to make it like a little bit more special. So yeah, moving on to outfit number 3. Alright guys, we just wrapped look number 3, that's 6, 3. I love this so much. I like this top a lot. I like that it's super like billowy, and I like that the sleeves are nice and loose, but it looks really cute on. I don't normally wear shorts with booties either, but this actually was a look and I really like it. I'm gonna wear it more often. So here is Shay's outfit. Here is my outfit. Totally forgot to do the whole part of the video for you guys, but I think we did a pretty good job, and I really like the hoops. I think the hoops were a good, nice little touch. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to go check out Boohoo again. All the links will be down below. And happy festival season. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!